Welcome to this class. In this class, we are going to learn how we can use Android or Android phone to create HTML pages. So I hope you have installed our application, the Thread Edit application. So let's launch the apps. So the app has loaded. So when you launch the app, this is the environment you are going to see. If you have already created some file before, these are the files. This is where the file will be seen. But if you are just creating it, we have the menu here. So you will see this. Then we have Learn to Code, where you can learn on your own by using the first one here, Learn to Code. Then get source code. This we use to get source code of a website that has been designed. This is our workspace where we store our application, our project, and this is just the text editor. So to start with, we are going to launch our workspace. We click on the workspace, then we are going to create folder here. So you see this plus sign at the right bottom side. So click it. Then you say new project. So type a name for it. Let's say tutorial, web tutorial. Then you say save. Now we have this here. So you click on it to open the folder. Then inside the folder we create a file by clicking on this plus sign again. Now you say new file. Then you give your file a name. Let's say first page. So your HTML file must be saved with an extension name, which is .html. So first page.html. Then we click on save. Then that page has been created, but nothing is there for now. So let's launch that file by clicking on it. So it has been loaded. Then you start with, we see HTML snippet. So we click on that to have our structure. So you can have it here, HTML snippet. So we click it. So we see, so that we can see what we are doing. Now, this is what we are going to see. I haven't clicked on our HTML snippet. So the first one on the page is the doc type. The doc type shows what type of HTML we are working with. We have about 3 or 4 types of HTML. We have the XML, we have the HTML, we have the HTML5. So this is HTML5. The doc type HTML means we are writing HTML5, which is the current version of HTML. Now, the second line is HTML. The first thing we must have when we are creating our HTML pages, and it has an attribute called lang, which means language. It means this is English. EN means English. So we are using English to create our app. Then within the HTML, let's have this. And let me have this as well. Now, this HTML, the one on top is the open tag, while the one down here is the closing tag. The difference between an open tag and the closing tag is that there is a forward slash in the closing tag, but not in the open tag. Now, that HTML is what we call the root folder, the root tag, So inside it we have two other tags. We have the head and the body. The head holds what can contain in our header part. There are some information there, but the most important of them is the title page, which is already there. Then inside the body is all what you want to display in our page. So we leave that one there. So in our HTML title, so let's write first HTML page. First HTML page. First HTML page. Then let's go now to our body. Inside the body, we type what you want to display. Let's use our h1 tag. We can come here and choose the tag h1. It's not there. h1 is not there, so we can create it ourselves. Then h1, and we close it, and the closing tag has been waiting for us. Say welcome to this tutorial. Then after that, let's have a p tag. We normally use small letter for our tags. Small letter, don't use capital letter. So my name is Livelinks Media. So let's save this. To save your file, you just click on this. So the file is saved. Then you will see the play tag, the play button here. That is what we use to run our HTML page. So we click on it. So here is the outcome of our page. Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Livelinks. So we can toggle the view. This is a mobile view, then this is desktop view. So if you are viewing it on your computer, this is how it should be. So if you are viewing it in the phone, this is how it will look like. Now, this is our first HTML page that we are going to learn. So I want you to do the same thing, but instead of writing my name is Livelinks, you write your own name and you save the file and you screenshot this particular page. After you have created it and you have launched it, so you screenshot this page and you send it to me, so that we know you are doing great with it.